All right. So, hi Divyashree, welcome. And can you give a brief description of you and what you do?
Hello, ma'am. I am Divyashree. I do phonetics class for kids of age 4 to 7 years. I take online classes. This all started in the month of January 2021 when I wanted to teach phonetics for my daughter, but I got interested in taking online classes, and that is how my journey of online phonetic classes started.
Okay. How did you first hear about our coaching program?
Yes, so it was through your Facebook group where I was a member of it, and you announced that we are starting a program like this. So I wanted to try, and actually I was in need of some mentor who could guide me in right direction. Yes, or someone who could tell me, yes, whatever you are doing is fine, just keep on trying. So that time I came across this, and why not? Somebody is there to guide me. Why not? I shouldn't try. So I tried that way.
Good, good. So, what challenges or problems uh, necessitated a change, like you, that made you want to go for this?
Yeah, as I told, one was like need of somebody to tell, yes, you are doing right. One was that, yeah, you are not going in wrong direction, and there is no wrong in trying something new, right? So that was a need. Second one, as I was completely new, and when you are new and you don't know what to do, like you need some guidance. In that case, when somebody is you guiding you with all the steps, and that was second. And something was like I didn't understand what is customer base, like how customers will convert, and like how to reach all the audience out there. Like when I used to do any ad or any post, I used to think, when I used to get one or two replies by them, I used to think like I am not that good, or maybe I am not approaching in right way. That is what I thought. But these all were the factors which made me think I should go for some mentor program.
Okay. So, what made our coaching program stand out over others that you researched?
Yes. So like actually, it was like as a like I could see you as same in my position. Like you are a woman and who is doing it, and that made me go and try for it. And like even in this world where men are doing more and more things, and when we women try, and there is a mentor who is a woman, it encourages me to go and try. Even I like to encourage that person as well. Even if she is a beginner, I would like to support them. And secondly would be like your way of approach, and you gave the pointers like how the classes would go, how it would be interactive session, and how we could encourage each other in a group, and how we will be supporting. All those things help me to choose your coaching program.
Okay. So, after joining, like what feature of our coaching program was the most appealing for you?
Yeah, one was systematic way of doing, and one more was interactive session. Like in each session, you allowed us to interact and ask doubts. Even the tiniest, littlest, silliest question was answered. I have seen you patiently answering, because I knew most of them, but when you were answering those silliest question, like it felt really like we feel that, oh, I'm fool who is asking such a question, but you were so patient while answering those. And your systematic way of approach, like you knew when to teach what. Like starting, we had to analyze the customer. First we had to think what our customer, who is our customer, and what are the problems. So those systematic approach and your interactive way, and these were the specialties of your program.
Good, good. Thank you. So, what was the initial reaction to our program when you joined? How did you
Like
feel? I mean, how you felt, how you took it initially when you joined?
Yeah, initially, like I felt, yeah, like somebody's there to hear us, right? Somebody's listening, and somebody who knows the actual structure, how business has to be, or how business has to be started and taken to that level. So I felt that, and you showed us the like map, how we will be traveling across the sessions, like what would be the steps. So that that made me know, like you know the what you're talking about.
Okay. So, how did you implement what we taught? Was it easy? Was it difficult? Uh, can you just explain that?
Yeah, actually, the point is, it's not about just about implementing also. Like we will be doing so many things. Like as I told you, I knew a bit of digital marketing, everything. We will be knowing things, but the when to up what do what and what are the steps involved matters, and not just that. Like we would be like, if we are doing alone, or if I'm doing on my own, I may not give points, or I may not show interest in that step, or like understanding a customer, or setting up a goal plan, a monthly plan. So I may not give that much importance. So I was like, you gave me that structure, that you should be going in this method, understanding, then setting up a plan is very important. So that is how it helped me.
Okay.
That's
So,
how I also implemented. Like I was like just random, like trying this, trying that. But
yeah,
you knew that what should be the plan for that month. So
yeah,
that helped me a lot, like setting a monthly plan.
yes. So, how has our coaching helped you since uh, implementation? Like, how has it helped?
Okay.
What
So
were you before, and like how after taking our coaching program, how it has affected your business?
yes. So like I told, I was a complete beginner for online classes. So like my approaching way, or like getting clients or customers, was very less. Like I had very few batches and very few kids. Like I used to earn around 10K, or like sometimes the kids used to skip and they used to miss the classes. They used to discontinue. So I used to earn like 10K per month. So but when I understood the importance of setting a goal, or to be consistent with whatever I'm doing, okay, so like I was consistent, and like I need not post randomly, right? I had a plan, I used to do according to it. So what happened was, like there was continuous flow of customers. Still now, if I'm not doing anything also, I get customers, random every day. At least one or two queries are there, even if I'm not posting anything. So
Yeah.
that is how, if we have a goal plan. So it was like that, 10K I was earning, and like after 3 months I was able to make 35 and above, 35K
Okay.
per month. So
Okay.
that is the improvement with consistency and your goal plan.
Okay. So, like, have you gone for paid ads?
Yeah, I had like for reaching customers. Yes, I know. I have tried paid ads, and like it is like you will reach the customer, but it is not necessary they will convert. So that was my this one.
With our program, do you think that Facebook ad is essential, or you can achieve the result even without ads?
Yeah, you can achieve without ads with the plan. If we set up and we are consistent, even without the Facebook ads, we can achieve it.
Yes. So, is there anything else that you would like to share, Divya?
Yeah, like for me, the most favorite part was setting up the goal plan. Like I liked it very much. Doing it and working towards it was my favorite part. Uh, you will understand the customer. That is yeah, in the beginning, and like and thinking what type of customer and planning accordingly is also a game changer, right? And I like most was the game plan for whole month. We set up what we have to do every week, what we have to do. That was the my most favorite part. Yeah.
So now you also have you set up your passive income model of
Yeah,
your
yeah.
coaching?
I have set up I make small videos of sounds. Like as I told, it's a phonetic class. So parents who don't want to enroll classes, or just they want for them, for their guidance, if they want a small video. But if they go outside and if they search, they won't be able to get a proper information. So I have a pre-made video which I share for certain amount of charges.
Okay. And right now, how many batches you have?
Right now I have 7 batches.
So, what would be your recommendation to other service entrepreneurs or coaches who want to get into online coaching business? Would you recommend our coaching program?
Yeah, I would really like somebody who is starting or who want to scale up, who don't know how to scale up, how to understand a customer, like who doesn't know how to set a plan for a month. They should obviously join your program. That would really help them, like not just setting a goal or working towards it. Like you used to give us random knowledge, like how to manifest, how to work towards it, thinking about the whole universe works towards it. Those are really helpful. Yeah, and keeping our to-do list, what we should do, all those were really helpful. And like for a beginner, it is really helpful. So because they don't have, they will just start, they should have this basic knowledge and how to set. So this will get them moved ahead. So it is really helpful for them.
All right, Divya, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.